Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Legends of Titans game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not opening, not working, keep stopping issue on Android phone. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your phone once. So for that, click the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So once your device restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check whether the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for the game, that is Legend of. Now here you will get the option of update if there is any. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game, and after that click on the open option and check whether it's opening or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache option, and after that check if it's launching or not. If not, you should also check if there is any internet connection problem. So if you are using mobile data, you are suggested to go to Wi-Fi and then check if the game is launching, or do vice versa, because internet connection can make you suffer and the game will not launch or not open. So make sure your internet connection is stable and then try to play the game. If not, next method is to check if there is any enough space available or not. So for that, go to settings, after that go below, and here you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you should check if there is any space available or not. If there is less space, you are suggested to delete some unused apps or games or data to make some space, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If after everything you follow still the same issue occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then click on install option, and once the game is installed, now try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.